Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to use power saving mode in Telegram on iPhone and Android. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open the Telegram app. Tap the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Power Saving. You will now see all the options in the power saving menu. Like for iOS user, you can use the slider to change the battery level to trigger the power saving mode on your Android phone. But unlike Telegram for iOS, you get more granular option to control different resource intensive process. For example, you can disable either autoplay in keyboard or autoplay in chat for animation sticker. As per the developers at Telegram, the power saving mode has been tested on more than 200 different Android device type to create optimized default settings for better control. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.